Oralade is an advanced oral rehydration solution for dogs and cats. It's not only formulated to comply with the World Health Organization recommendations for oral rehydration therapy, but it's also extremely easy to administer thanks to a great tasting 100% natural chicken flavour that dogs and cats love. Oralade's scientifically formulated isotonic solution supports optimal absorption of fluids and electrolytes in perfect harmony with the body's natural requirements, making it ideal for rehydration with no risk of overhydration, even when it's free-fed. It is a fast-acting ORS containing the precise ratio of glucose and electrolytes necessary to activate and support electrolyte and fluid absorption from the gut. Oralade can rehydrate animals with mild to moderate dehydration. If the dehydration is worse than this, assistance from a veterinary expert should be sought. Oralade also contains extra ingredients, prebiotic fibres and amino acids to help support and provide nutrition to the gut cells in animals that may be suffering from gut disturbances or a lack of appetite. Whilst Oralade can help provide prehydration to prevent dehydration in healthy animals and rapid rehydration as a first aid response, it's essential that veterinary surgeon's advice is always sought as soon as possible if an animal is suspected to be suffering from dehydration or is otherwise showing signs of being unwell.